so selfish. Show us too. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna talk, okay? Hey, Gigi. Jana. So we made cookies, which failed. So try na namin ngayon.
I'd rather eat chips.
No, it's her fault kasi sinunog niya yung
Talk
cookies.
ni Maris po.
Sinunog niya yung cookies namin. So like, yeah. She burned all the cookies. Try one someday. It'll make your frown upside down. It's sticking.
You made a cookie, yeah.
It's sticking together. I know, right? It's cooked. They don't bake cookies or eat cookies. Tingnan niyo yung hair flip niya. Ang epic. Pardon for the word. I'm not a nerd, okay? I just like saying epic.
Do eyebrows.
Ako bida dito. Extra lang sila. Pop.
What? Yo, we did not agree on